quick and simple market analysis. Number one, we were short on the S&P 500 as well as Apple, and both completely capitulated. So what we were doing, we were swinging short on the S&P and tech stocks, essentially, and we were long the IWM because I had a feeling that this rotation would occur. Money would funnel out of the SPY and the tech and the NASDAQ, Apple, etc., and money would flow into the IWM. So as you can see, here's a chart of the SPY, here's a chart of the NASDAQ 100, etc., right? This is the IWM. So as you can see, regardless of how much weakness was occurring in the SPY and the NASDAQ, the IWM was holding up. Now, what does this mean now moving forward? Number one, to recap, our QQQ lottos cooked. They are not going to work, most likely. But still holding through earnings that might, bounce. But regardless, the main concept is that we were bearish into this strength that we saw, and we held on to puts. These puts are now working very, very well. What are the next steps for the market? Essentially, with the SPY and with the NASDAQ in general, it is very, very difficult to start entering aggressively long into this weakness. What I want to see is I want further weakness. Specifically, what I would love to see is between 533 to 535 area on the SPY. Once we hit one main level, one main zone is this 528 to 530 level on the SPY. In my opinion, this area is the equivalent of 480 on the SPY. If you remember a few months ago when everyone was expecting the SPY to hit 480, this level here, in my opinion, is the equivalent of that. So if we go ahead and look from the most recent highs to the most recent lows, we've only dropped about 4.5%. To get down to those levels, that's only a total of 6.5% down. I think that that is possible, but what I want to see is some aggressive capitulation and weakness. Currently, what I will say for free is we started to enter a bit long, and I'm not going to go into more detail with that, but we started to enter a bit long with some normal position. So I'm excited to see what the next steps are for the market. This was not 60 seconds long. This was a little bit longer. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I share all of my trades and my detailed explanations for everything in my Discord server. The link is below. Have a good one. Love you guys. Take care.